Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Quinn here, and today we are setting up our hours planner for the week of the 16th through the 22nd of February. I'm using some leftover kit from Paper Trail Plans, and this is the Manifest, and I do also have the die cuts. And that's the main thing that I want to try and use. And I'm gonna try to bring in, I think, some rose gold foil. So I think I have more than enough since we're just using a little bit of deco. And then here are the die cuts. A cute little doggy. And I have another bed that I want to try and use because this one's a little bit big. So hopefully it'll fit. So I want to put the fashion doll first. Something like that. And then I have this old February script from a Coquette kit from Paper Trail Plans. So I'm gonna attempt to use that. So let me put her down first. And if you like this Manifest kit, you can use my code Quinn15 to save. Okay, I'm gonna use the individual ones with the bow. I think that's so cute. I was saving this for something. I'm like, I want to use it, but still want to use it. So I want to make sure they fit either going across or down. So that's the F. Starts about there. I forgot I can use this. Okay. I think going across or down would be cute. That's okay. Looks like it fits pretty good. I want to do a flip through of this planner soon, or this journal planner soon. I don't know what to call it. It's a hours planner. I just put like little quotes and things in here that I like or that I find. Sometimes these stickers are like magnets. Okay. I think I'm gonna try and put some florals. Okay, I'm gonna leave that like that. Put my date dots. These are so nice. These are from Paper Trail Plans as well. Very aesthetically pleasing. I think I'm gonna put them all on the same side. I know the last time I was like putting them up and down, up and down. I think this time I'm just gonna try to keep it simple. And also, I think I'm gonna try to do like since I have a large piece here. I'm gonna try to like do small piece here. So let me look over here. Put this down first. There, and then put some florals. If you have an hours planner, what do you put in there? Use this one. Don't want to keep everything at the bottom and then write everything at the top. All right, let's do that. Keep everything at the bottom. All right, and then put a larger piece of deco next. Thinking the blanket, or is that like too much? I mean, it is what it is, because that's what I'm gonna have to use. It's just so cute, so cute. I'm gonna use this one next. Florals behind. Let me put this down. It's so cute. A little doggy, a little teacup Yorkie. If I can get it off, oh my goodness. Okay, got it. Okay, so freaking cute. I love her. Okay, now let's see. We can find like some smaller pink deco. Okay, I think I want to use this picture. Let's make something nice. I'm thinking using this. Do like a little collage. Not really a collage, but we're gonna put everything together. Like that. Florals. Put that there. And then put the little sticker tape. The sticker tape or the paper clip or the bow. I think I'm gonna do the clip. If you hear some growling in the noise, that's girl growling in the background. She's sleeping. Right, got that, and then just put the date dot down. Daily dates. They have the month, the day, and the day of the week on there. All right, let's move on to the next section. So I used a small one. Now let me try to use a bigger one. And I tried to like see if this would fit. I'm thinking of this is smaller than the where is it at? Then this one. Yes, smaller. So I might have to cut it a little bit. Let's go. Okay, let me put the florals down first. All right, I cannot remember where I cut it. All right, so we have this piece, and where's the other one? This one. Ah, it literally came off on my finger. Oh my goodness. These stickers, oh my goodness, are very delicate. Alright, just going to cut because I want the stickers to stay in their lane. Oh, if I cut too far off, cannot see cutting over my hand. Okay. And then this piece. I think animals and pets do like the same thing. Like he has not wanted his food all day, and then now that I'm planning, he just wants to sit there and eat all the food. So hopefully he'll be finished soon. I'm gonna pause for a little bit. Okay, I think he's done now. Putting down the dates. Go ahead and put the other dates down since I know my stickers aren't going to impede the area. Okay, so I'm gonna use alcohol ink swatch. Put it on this side. Florals. So let's see. We have a bow. This bow is gonna take up everything. Okay, let me use this. I just love stickers, oh my goodness. I think I'm gonna, should I do that? No, I'll just do this. All right, and then this piece, I'm just gonna put it right here. All right, let me put down a large deco. Should I just cut this down? Putting down some florals first. And I think I'm just gonna take the full box because I can't find anything that's gonna fit. Okay, that works. Last box, and then we are all done. And I do want to put some scripts down. Let me do this one. Then I have this pen, but I'm thinking it might be too big. Yeah, I don't really like it. Let me see. Using some skincare. And then we just put the bow. And I don't think I'm gonna put any foils. I think I like it the way that it is. I did want to put some of the little quotes down or words. So mental note, take the risk. So that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye.